compound microscope. The microscope in which more than one cell is used are called compound microscope. High magnifying power. Parts and uses. Eyepiece. It is used to look and see the small things placed in slides. Knob. Part used for adjusting the lens to focus the slide. Objective lens. Magnify the image of the object and directs the image to the eyepiece. Stage and clip. The slide placed on the stage. The clip holds the slide firmly in the stage. Condenser. Regulate the amount of light falling on the objective. Mirror. Reflects light to the diaphragm from the light source. Parts of microscope where lens are fixed. Eyepiece, condenser, objective lens. Magnify power. The magnification power of a microscope is the result of multiplying the numbers seen in the objective lens and eyepiece. Why is a mirror fixed in a microscope? Answer. The mirror reflects light to the objects to be viewed. Why do we use a slide made of glass, the material to be observed? Answer. The object is placed on the slide. The light comes through the object. For this, the slide should allow light to pass through. That is why the slide made of glass, which is transparent. Stain. It is substance to color specimens that are to be observed under microscope. Saccharine O. Give red color to non-players is saying color. To nucleus, alkaline portion, metalline, blue acid portion. The cell, the body of organism is made up of cells. Says A. These cultural and functional units of all organisms. Cell biology. Cytology. The scientific study of cells is called cell biology, discovering the cell. Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was the first scientist who observed cell with the help of a simple microscope. Robert Hooke served the section of cork through a simple kind of microscope and called that in each a cell in the section cell. Milestones in the history of cell biology. Robert Hooke first observed cells with help of a simple microscope. It named cell. Robert Brown discovered the center of the cell and named it the nucleus. M.G. Skeleton found out that the body of a plant is made up of cells. Theodore Swan found out that the body of an animal is made up of cells. Rudolf Virchow observed dividing cell and inferred that new cells arise only from existing cells.